Hello everyone.
Happy January 13th. Today we celebrate rubber duckies, stickers, and the joy of playful collections. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Rubber Ducky Day. A cheerful bath time companion. A great gift could be a rubber duck set, a themed bath kit, or a duck pattern towel. Do you collect rubber duckies? Let's quack in the comments. It's National Sticker Day. A celebration of creativity and fun designs. A thoughtful gift could be a sticker pack, a scrapbook kit, or a personalized sticker sheet. What's your favorite sticker? Let's stick to the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's Korean American Day. Honoring heritage, culture, and contributions. A sweet gift could be a Korean cookbook, a cultural art print, or a donation to a heritage group. How do you celebrate culture? Let's share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 11th to 15th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.